Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you all how we can actually lock down our Microsoft Word document so that users can only fill out the form. Everything else will be locked. So there's probably cases where you want to provide this to your coworkers or maybe to friends or family, and you don't want them to be able to edit the document itself. You just want them to be able to fill out the form and then, save a copy of it or email it or whatever they're going to do with it. So to do this, we're just following the same exact steps we did in the previous video where we locked down the entire document. So we need to come over here to review. We have to come over here to restrict. I already had it open. Let's come over here to restrict editing, which is under the protect section. And let's come over here to the second option right here under editing restrictions. And then you need to hit the drop down. And there's some different options here. So the one that we're looking for is for filling in forms. And once we select that, we need to go ahead and hit yes, start enforcing protection. And now we need to add a password, because if we don't add a password, someone could just come in and disable this and they can go crazy and start editing the document. So let me, I didn't fill in the password all the way. This first one, I was not paying attention to what I was typing in. Okay, there we go. So now that we're good to go with this, let's go ahead and hit OK. And now that it's locked down, you can see it doesn't even let me select around. So if I come down here and try to change something, it's not working. So what I can do though, is I can start filling out the form. So now that we have this open, let's go ahead and start filling it out. Make sure I don't have, okay, good. Thought I still had design mode on, which I don't. So we can come over here. We can go ahead and select our title, our satisfaction. We'll put high. Areas for improvements, another text field. Do better. What departments? They can go ahead and select the departments. Public safety. Would they recommend working here? I don't know. They put do better, so they probably don't recommend working there. And then we can go ahead and select the date that they started. Okay, so you can see the only thing that they can make changes to were the actual values where they were inputting for the form. I can't do anything to the label. I can't do anything to the title, the description. And then if I want to come back into this and I want to enable editing, I can just come over here to stop protection and then type in the password. And now it's been re-enabled. So now I can go back in and I can make changes if I need to. So that is actually how you're able to lock down your Microsoft Word form if you need to.